The throat plate on my bandsaw has broken, so I've glued it, but I know it's not going to last. So I need to either buy a new one or design one and 3D print it. I think I'll have a go at designing and 3D printing it first. I made a drawing with all the measurements on, including the measurements for the hole in the bed, so that I can now take this to the CAD program and build it in that. I'm also going to take the opportunity to redesign it slightly to make it a little stronger. I think this might be important given I'm making it with PLA and 3D printing it. Here's my design. The two holes right on the edge are for the original grub screws used for adjusting the height of the throat plate. If we look underneath, you can see there is a bevel so it doesn't foul the blade with the bed tilted. And I've added a little bit of additional material to help strengthen the plate. I'll also be printing it at 100% infill as well. And this is what it looks like in real life. Got quite a nice finish to it. It fits really well, I'll show you that in a minute. I've added some additional strengthening. I could have just made it thicker, I guess. It's already pretty thick. I don't think there'll be any issues with strength. It doesn't feel any weaker than the one that was there. And all the strength is in the layer lines. So it's unlikely to break, I would say. The last thing I need to do is just tap these holes here and this one here so that I can put the leveling grub screws back in. The thread for the grub screws is an M6 0.75 thread, which is a pretty standard thread. All I now need to do is fit the throat plate back in the throat and level it using the grub screws. Well, printing this turned out to be a very easy job. It only took me a couple of attempts to fix all the little problems in the 3D print and get it to work really nicely. It fits and works just as well as the original that it came with, and hopefully this one won't break. If you've got this bandsaw or something that looks the same, then I'll publish the file for this on Thingiverse and I'll leave it in the comments below so that you can download and use it if you need it. If you've enjoyed this video, then please leave me a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or comments, then please leave them below, and remember to share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.